to another Wise Maths and Science video. Here is a plan of part of Maxon's garden. There is a circle inside a triangle. The circle has a diameter of 7 meters. Maxon will cover this shaded area with gravel. Gravel is sold in bags. Each bag of gravel covers an area of 12.5 meters squared. Part A, work out the number of bags of gravel Maxon will need. So we need to work out how much gravel we need in total. So amount of gravel required is equal to the area of triangle minus the area of the circle. Okay, let me just make that a little bit neater. And the formula for this is going to work out to be a half multiplied by the base multiplied by the height minus pi multiplied by the radius squared. So we go back over here, then you're going to get half, the base is 16 times by 16 multiplied by the perpendicular height, which is 14, multiplied by pi. The diameter is 7, so the radius is going to work out to be 3.5 squared. Right, so a half of 16 is 8. 8 times 14 will give us, how much is that going to be? 80 plus 32, which will give us 112, minus pi multiplied by 3.5 squared. 3.5 squared. Anyway, rather than doing that, let me just plug it all into a calculator. So then what you'll get 8 multiplied by 14 minus, you're going to get pi, and that's going to be multiplied by, let's open the brackets, 3.5, close the bracket, and we need to square that, and we get an answer of, over here, of 73.515, and that's going to give us meters squared. Okay, so we need to work out how much bags we require. The number of bags that we require, let's write down bags required is equal to 73.515 divided by 12.5, and that will give you, so let's just cancel this, let's use our answer which was previously stored. Whoops, okay, it looks like it hasn't stored our answer, so let's type in 73.515 divided by 12.5, and then press equals, and you end up getting 5.88 bags. Well, no one's going to sell you 5.88 bags. 5 bags is not going to be enough, so we're going to have to round it up to 6 bags, and that should do complete the job for us. Maxon finds that each bag of gravel only covers an area of 11 meters squared. How does this affect your answer in part A? So with regards to this, let's keep the total area, which is 73.515, and divide it by 11 and see what we get. So let's go back over here. We'll type in 73.515 divide it by 11, and you should end up getting 6.68 bags. That's what we require now. Now this time, again, 6 bags is not going to do the job, but we will require 7 bags. So therefore we would require an additional bag additional bag, e.g. 7 bags to complete the job. Okay, I hope you've benefited from that. Please do like, share and subscribe, as it gives me encouragement to make more videos. Thank you and goodbye.